How to rent cars through Uber, a step-by-step guide. Uber wants you to make money. Welcome to our quick guide on how to rent cars through Uber. Whether you're looking to drive for Uber or need a car for personal use, we've got you covered. This is your introduction to Uber car rental. It's an excellent option if you don't own a car or your vehicle doesn't meet Uber's requirements. Signing up for Uber. First, let's get you signed up with Uber. Download the Uber app from your smartphone's app store and create an account. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. Required documents and eligibility. Visuals of required documents such as a driver's license and background check. Next, submit the required documents. This includes your driver's license, proof of residency, and consent for a background check. Remember, you must be at least 21 years old to drive with Uber. Choosing a rental option. Now, it's time to choose a car. Call and make reservations to get a car. In the Uber app, navigate to the car rental section. Picking up your rental car. Once you've confirmed your rental, you'll receive information on where to pick up your car. Here, you'll find a range of cars that suit your needs and budget using either Hertz or Avis car rentals. Completing the rental process. Select the car you like, review the rental terms, and confirm your rental. The terms will include details about rental fees, insurance coverage, and mileage limits. Head to the location, show your ID, and the car keys will be handed over to you. With the car keys in hand, you're ready to drive for Uber. Driving for Uber. Open the Uber driver app, go online, and start accepting ride requests. It's that simple. Returning the car. When your rental period is over, return the car to the same location you picked it up from. Make sure to refuel and clean the car before returning it. It's easy to sign up and start driving. Renting a car through Uber is a hassle-free process that opens up a world of opportunities, whether you're driving for income or just need a car for personal use. Download the Uber app today and get on the road. Sign up today. Offer ends soon. Start driving with Uber today. Click on the link in the description below.